Hello everyone, it's Dana from the James B. Brown Library and I'm back with another DIY holiday inspired project, and this one is a cinnamon dough ornament recipe that is so simple it only requires 3 ingredients: unsweetened applesauce, ground cloves, and cinnamon. And because you're not eating these, you can get the stuff at the dollar store if you can get it very inexpensively. I also have a dowel here, but you could use a straw, you could use chopsticks, you can use something else to make the hole. And I have a bunch of fun cookie cutters. We use these for our Play-Doh and sensory classes, so we have lots of fun shapes here. You will need a couple pans and some cooling racks to put the ornaments on to dry, and you will need an oven that can go to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. So we have that preheating, and I'm not sure if we'll hear the buzzer or not. And friends have told me cinnamon can stain, so you do want to wear gloves if possible, if you have them. So I'm going to put on my gloves here and go over the oven's ready for us. And it will be 6 tablespoons of applesauce. I'm going to go ahead and put it all into a big bowl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. And then it is 10 tablespoons of ground cinnamon. So make sure you take the top off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is just about a full bottle of ground cinnamon, but because it is 10 tablespoons, this is a great activity for children to do the conversion into cups. And then it is 1 teaspoon of ground cloves. And this, I wish we had smell-o-vision because it smells amazing. So we're gonna mix everything by hand until it is smooth and clay-like. You can see it starting to form there. Oh, this smells heavenly. And I have heard from many people that these ornaments, the smell lasts decades. They made these as children and they still put them on their holiday tree and it still smells amazing. This is a great project to do as a family, so you can make shapes that are meaningful to you and have a wonderful holiday tradition with your children or grandchildren. All right, and now that it's just about into a bowl, I'm going to sprinkle some more cinnamon onto this surface. And then you roll this out until it is about 1/8 of an inch. I don't have a rolling pin here, so I'm just going to do it by hand, since these are fun anyway. But if you have a rolling pin, please use it. So I'm going to do a fun little dinosaur shape. And I'll use my skewer to poke a little hole. That's where the ribbon or twine or whatever will go through. You carefully take it out and place it on your sheet, where it will go in the oven for 1.5 hours. But when you turn off the oven, leave the ornaments in there overnight to continue drying. That's a fun little tip that I learned. I'm going to do this one at the top. And so we'll go ahead and stop the video, pop them in the oven.